Well, good morning. I thought I'd give you an update. I've been struggling with different ideas for the next clay that I'm going to do. And I had a friend of mine suggest something yesterday that I think I'm going to look into. It's going to take a couple of days more probably to work things out. The ideas for whatever I do don't come easily. They take time and inspiration from different things. So have patience with me. I will be starting something soon. I just don't know how soon. Like I said before, I was going to have an operation this month. I've delayed that for 2 months because I've got 3 bronzes coming out, and I want to be fully functional to make sure those bronzes get packed up and shipped out properly. And it takes my full attention when that takes place. So over the next couple of months, I'm going to be working with that. All right, everybody, don't lose patience with me. I plead with you. I am doing really well. I feel great. And I'll be back at the clay very soon. Good night.